Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows Store apps can't connect to the network, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution is to check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? Because if the speed is not good enough, then everything else is going to go down. So open the browser and navigate to fast.com and hit enter. Okay, check the internet speed at fast.com. Is it good enough? The next solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, open troubleshoot. Go to other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The third solution is to reset the Windows Store cache. Okay, and how would we reset the Windows Store cache? So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Windows Store cache. The last solution is to reset the network. How would we reset the network? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, select network reset, click on reset now, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.